Hi, Get the Gloss. My name is Estée Lalonde. I work in beauty as a content creator, and I'm also the founder of bath and body care brand Mirror Water. Today I'm going to share with you my save versus splurge items across all categories. So let's get started with hair care. I get my hair bleached every 6 weeks, so for me using a treatment is crucial. So that's definitely something I will splurge on. One of my favorite products is Olaplex. I love everything Olaplex does. Oh, don't mind my dog, she's giving me kisses. As you can see, she's also blonde. Some people say we look alike. What do you think? Okay. I love Olaplex because it's really effective. It keeps my hair in great condition between appointments, and I make it a point to use a treatment every single week. One thing I save on when it comes to hair care is detangler. I need detangler because my hair is always super tangly, and I just like using this one from Mane and Tail. It's affordable, it does the job, and also with a tangle teaser, perfect combination. Next up, skincare. I love skincare so much. I can't even tell you how much I love skincare, and I have a tendency to splurge on everything. But one thing I will say you could save money on is something like a hyaluronic acid serum. You don't need to spend tons of money on that. You can get loads of affordable options from like The Ordinary and lots of other high street brands. But one thing I would splash out on is a vitamin C. So I use Medic 8's C Tetra. This is their vitamin C serum. I use it every single morning. I love it. It smells like oranges, and I really think it helps give you that boost of radiance and brightness that we're all in search of. Body is arguably my favorite category because I have a brand that sells bath and body care, and I have to say, splurge on a body oil. I use a body oil every single day. This is called Smooth because it makes your skin so smooth. You can use it every single day, and I love to splash out on products that I use every single day. It's filled with really gorgeous ingredients. It's great for your skin. It smells like a fresh forest. There's an essential oil blend in here that's gonna help you feel grounded yet uplifted. It's a beautiful, beautiful product. Highly recommend. But one thing in the body section that I will save on is something like a lymphatic drainage tool. This is just from Amazon. I want to say it was like 7 or 8 pounds, and the way you use this is just apply your body oil, and just like we use tools like gua sha on the face, this is like a big gua sha for the body. So it has these amazing curves on the tool, and just use it like this with the body oil, and it helps to drain and sculpt the body. And you don't need to spend a lot of money on this, but if you add this into your routine, you will not regret it. Last but not least, makeup. Of course, we all know that affordable mascaras are amazing. I don't think you need to splash out on a super expensive mascara. They all look the same. I'm sorry, but they do. But one thing I will splash out on is something like the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I love to have a glowy base, and I use such wonderful skincare products that I don't want to use a makeup product that's going to make my skin look flat or dry. So something like the Flawless Filter is great because it gives you that glow, a little bit of tint, and I absolutely love it. Thanks so much for having me get the gloss. Let me know in the comments down below what you like to save on and what you like to splurge on.